North County Airport, helicopter 27 Hotel, right base for runway 26 right.
You might need to move the visor out of the way of the camera there.
Actually, I think it's okay. I don't know.
I think what it was right on the edge.
Okay. North County traffic, Cessna 4 Yankee Delta, departing 26 left, main left close traffic, North County.
Let me know your ground speed for Yankee Delta.
Roger.
Short field takeoff.
North County helicopter 80 Hotel is on downwind, 26 right, North County.
Hey Pete, I sent you a picture of our ground speed when we took off.
Roger.
Airport, helicopter 27 Hotel on a high final for Charlie, parallel 26 right, Fox intersection.
Watch your box there with a little crosswind, especially that one towards the departure end. Other way. Keep it down, keep it down. Short field, right?
Yeah.
You want that airspeed to build, then you bring it up. Climb out 55.
Hey, 5 Hotel,
I'm right rudder in there.
26 right traffic.
North County helicopter 80 Hotel, high base, Charlie 26 right, North County.
Put a little wind correction to the left end for the wind. You're getting drifted. Look out your left window.
Yep.
There's about the runway end. What do we make? We made about 500 feet by the end of the runway.
North County Airport,
No, 550.
on
600.
Go, Charlie, parallel 26 right.
Alright, just go ahead, regular climb out now.
North County helicopter 80 Hotel, high final, taxiway Charlie 26 right, 3 hour rotation, North County.
Okay, helicopter 85 Hotel is right, crosswind 26 right.
Helicopter 89 Hotel, Omega 26 right.
North County traffic, Cessna 4 Yankee Delta, turning left crosswind, 26 left, North County.
North County White Cirrus, 9 miles east of the airport on the 26 GPS for long final, North County. Backwater.
North County helicopter 85 Hotel is turning right downwind 26 right.
North County traffic, Cessna 4 Yankee Delta, turning left downwind, 26 left, North County. This thing just keeps wanting to climb.
Hotel,
Oh, yeah.
14, runway 26 right.
And North County traffic, Skyhawk 724 Mike Echoes, about 9 miles to the southwest, 2,800 North County.
North County helicopter 89 Hotel, right, crosswind 26 right.
Your ground speed.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Moan, we're doing 120 in the downwind and made 600 feet by the end of the runway.
North County Airport, helicopter 27 Hotel on a high final for Delta, parallel 26 right.
Pretty nice climb out there.
North County helicopter 80 Hotel is on the go, taxiway Charlie. We'll be extending it upwind for taxiway Kilo. Well, to set up a right when you to taxiway Kilo. Full stop out hangars, North County.
Good, turn on in.
North County White Cirrus, 5 mile final, 26 left, North County.
North County traffic, Cessna 4 Yankee Delta, turning left base, 26 left, North County.
Okay, so helicopter 85 Hotel.
So just work that crosswind stuff. We'll do a touch and go. I'll take care of the flaps for you.
Okay.
Just keep big crosswind correction on the roll out.
Yeah. North County traffic, says Farmington, turning final 26 left, touch go, North County.
North County White Cirrus on a 3.5 mile final for 26 left. Will we be in anybody's way if we come in on the GPS?
Intentional aircraft in the vicinity of Blackwater, Skydivers away, 11,000 below, do not fly Blackwater. North County Airport, helicopter 27 Hotel on the go, Delta parallel 26 right.
North County helicopter 80 Hotel is on type right downwind for right 182, taxiway kilo.
Keep that a little extra speed up, help power through it.
Yeah.
You've got to stand
70.
here.
Gives that protection if you lose that gust.
So taxiway kilo 26 right doing running landings.
I got you, so there will be no factor.
North County helicopter 89 Hotel, I fly on the right. Golf 1.
County White Cirrus 2 mile final, 26 left, North County.
Hey, flaps are up. Right down the runway now. Watch your center line stripes, you'll see you get to the end. They're about there's where they left off, but they did a couple at this end.
Ah, damn.
Yep. Remember your crosswind correction on the
On the go, 26 right, direct traffic.
on the run here.
Short approach to the runner pair 26 left, got insight on there.
North County helicopter 89 Hotel, on the go 26 right.
North County traffic, says Farmington, Delta, turning left, crosswind 26 left, North County.
North County helicopter 85 Hotel, turn right down 26 right.
North County traffic, Cardinal 34014 is 9 miles to the west, inbound from runway 26 left, North County. I'll pick up go right into a left-hand downwind.
North County traffic, says Farmington, turning left, downwind 26 left, North County.
North County White Cirrus clear of 26 left, North County.
North County helicopter 85 Hotel, turn right, 26 right.
North County helicopter 89 Hotel, right downwind 26 right.
North County traffic, helicopter 74460, 3 miles to the northeast, crossing above the field from northeast to the southwest at 500 feet. North County traffic.
North County traffic, Cessna Farmington, Delta, turning left base 26 left, North County.
Everglades traffic, anybody can you give me a wind check? Thanks.
It's windy.
Somebody say something?
And North County traffic, Cardinal 34014, is there anyone in the pattern runway 26 left?
North County traffic, says Farmington, Delta, turning final 26 left.
North County traffic, Cardinal 34014 is 3 miles to the west, I'll continue down on a left-hand downwind to runway 26 left, 014.
Lazy fucker.
And North County traffic, Skyhawk 724 Mike Echo, about 1 mile west of Yigbo, inbound on the ILS. We'll break it early and do a entry for the downwind 26 left, North County.
North Princess has gone on high final, short final, straight in on board to 26 right, Foxtrot 1. We have the fixed wing taxi along Foxtrot towards Delta. We should be dropping in shortly, so.
North Country traffic, helicopter 7460, crossing above the field, northeast to the southwest. I have the 2 helicopters inside, North County.
Hold that nose off.
Yeah.
North County traffic, Cardinal 014 is left-hand downwind, runway 26
Remember that strong headwind?
Full stop.
The wing's going to hang in longer.
Hotel, back taxiing Kilo, parallel 26 left.
A5 Hotel's back taxi 26 right for the taxi and fixed wing. County helicopter 890, straight at golf head program.
That's a good gust there.
Across the Hover Square.
Glad it wasn't on the ground.
What's that?
Said I'm glad I wasn't on the ground.
Yeah.
North County traffic, Skyhawk 724 Mike Echoes, inbound from Yigbo, about 13 miles to the west on the ILS, 8 right, North County 2500 descending.
It's a rocket.
North County traffic says Frank Delta turning left crosswind 26 left, North County.
North County traffic, Cardinal 014 is final approach, runway 26 left. North County.
North County traffic says Frank Delta turning left downwind 26 left, North County.
Okay, traffic, red and white Archer, I'm sorry, red and white Cardinal is about 3 miles northeast of the field, 2000 descending, inbound join left traffic, 26 left at North County.
North County traffic says Frank Delta turning left base 26 left, North County.
North County traffic, Cardinal 014 is clear of the active, runway 26 left.
North County traffic says Frank Delta turning final 26 left, touch go, North County.
County traffic, Cessna 234 Alpha Bravo is about 2 miles to the northeast. We'll be overflying the field at 2000 and joining traffic pattern, North County.
And North County traffic, Cessna 724 Mike Echoes inbound from us at about 5 miles to the west on the ILS. We'll break it off early and circle 26 North County.
Bank on me there.
Get that suction sometimes over that water. Just keep bleeding it out. That's it. Hey, those winds have shifted. Yeah, it's pretty good there.
234 Alpha Bravo will be shortly joining crosswind for runway 26 left. Touch go, North County.
North County.
Blocked.
And North County 724 Mike Echo, breaking off the ILS, circling to 26 left North County.
And for Yankee Delta's departure leg 26 left, closed traffic. We've got Mike Echo inside North County. Just follow them on in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was out of 240 and then we heard 250. Yeah. Now it's almost down the runway and even starting to come around from the northwest some more.
North County traffic, red and white Cardinal is 2 south of the field, descending joining left downwind over North Lake Boulevard, 26 left North County.
North County traffic says Frank, turning left crosswind 26 left. I have you, Mike Echo. North County traffic says Frank, turning left downwind 26 left North County.
North County traffic, Cessna 234 Alpha Bravo, turning left base for runway 26 left, touch go, North County.
We're third in line. Yeah, that was Mike Echo.
What's that?
I thought that was Mike Echo.
That is.
2 miles to the
That
east,
is.
entering right downwind.
Oh yeah, down there.
Okay.
North County traffic, Cessna 234 Alpha Bravo, turning final for runway 26 left, touch go, North County.
North County Skyhawk 724 Mike Echo is turning base 26 left North County.
North County Satavria is entering a right downwind 26 right.
Trying to fly it nice and slow, give them some
Yeah, you can hit the nose, let it start coming down a little. Oh, they're going to be a little faster than you are on approach too, so. Okay, go ahead.
North County traffic says Frank Delta turning left base 26 left North County.
North County radar check.
Loud and clear.
North County 724 Mike Echo is turning final full stop North County. Touch and go North County.
North County Satavria is turning a right base for 26 right.
go, 26 left, left close traffic.
North County traffic, Central Point, Hill turning final, 26 left, touch go North County.
Everglades City traffic, you've got a
they got them.
3,000 feet. We'll be entering
They got it.
a right downwind for 3-3. Everglades traffic.
I don't know if they wanted them, but they got them.
They don't have a choice.
North County traffic, Cessna 234 Alpha
Or you gotta say, we haven't gotten you yet, you're not on the ground.
Right. I don't know how well this video is going to turn out. This
North
thing's shaking
County,
like crazy.
4 Mike Echoes on the go, 26 left, North County.
A little power up, because you know you're going to hit that water hole there and have it draw you down.
Can you repeat that? You broke off. Chuck says what?
North County traffic, Cessna 234 Alpha Bravo is on downwind for runway 26 left, touch go North County.
North County Sky 724 Mike Echoes, turning crosswind 26 left. We'll be departing to the west, North County.
County Skyline 2, Romeo Mike, taxi into 26 left, round up.
Left, touch go North County.
North County, 4 Mike Echo, downwind, 26 left. It's going to be a downwind departure to the east.
Alright, want to make the next one a full stop?
Yeah.
Feeling pretty good about them?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of too bad it shifted down the runway.
Yeah.
I was really hoping we could have gotten a little more crossing work, but...
Still a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah. Gotta work it through, just can't give up on it.
All experience.
Yep.
North County traffic, Cessna 234 Alpha Bravo turning final for runway 26 left, touch go North County.
North County traffic, got an RV. We're showing 11 to the north, 2,000 feet. We'll overfly 1,500 feet, set up for a downwind 26 left, North County. Kick you up.
Asking for you.
North County 4 Yankee Delta, be turning crosswind 26 left, close traffic.
Somebody asked if you were up.
Go for Pete. Watch for those Pete or Steve.
I don't know.
Sort of heard.
But he said Pete.
Guess not.
And North County, 4 Mike Echoes, departing the traffic pattern to the northeast on the downwind, North County.
Look down to the ground, you're like...
I know. Trying not to be, but...
Just sliding sideways.
North County traffic, Central Point, Delta, turning left downwind, 26 left, North County.
I think it's just fun and hysterical to watch the slide.
Yeah.
Doing the sideways shuffle.
Yeah.
See how much that wind really does play on you.
This thing is like a kite with an engine, so...
Skycatcher's even worse. Skycatcher would be a bitch to fly today.
Everglades City traffic, Cessna 758 Quebec Victor is 10 miles to the north inbound for the left downwind for 33, Everglades City.
Cessna 234 Alpha Bravo, turning left crosswind for runway 26 left, full stop, North County.
Additional aircraft in vicinity Blackwater, Skydivers away, left 1000 below, do not overfly Blackwater.
North County traffic says Farmington, turning left base, 26 left, be a full stop, North County.
Caution all traffic around North County, 4 Yankee Doodles in the pattern. Yankee Doodles in the pattern, caution all traffic North County.
Say that about SunQuest.
Yeah, no shit. Caution all traffic, 41 Hotels is getting airborne.
Remarks.
41 Hotels in the pattern, North County.
Remarks, SunQuest. SunQuest renters in the pattern.
Yep.
North County traffic, Cessna 234 Alpha Bravo on downwind for runway 26 left, full stop, North County.
Yeah, I'm like flying sideways.
Yep.
North County traffic says Farmington, turning final, 26 left, be a full stop, North County.
And North County, got an RV 1,500 feet forward to the north, overfly 1,500, join the left downwind 26 left.
Yep.
North County traffic, Cessna 234 Alpha Bravo, turning left base for runway 26 left, full stop, North County.
The other trick too, if you aim for the 1,000 footers,
yeah,
that's to keep you up a little
North
higher.
County RV is 1
you'll
mile
get
to the
quite
north,
that same
1,500 feet.
suction effect.
North County traffic, Cessna 234 Alpha Bravo, turning final for runway 26 left, full stop, North County.
That's probably my best landing yet.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
North County traffic says 4 Yankee Delta, clear 26 left.
And North County RV is over top the airport, 1,500 feet. We're going to join the left downwind,
Other
26
side of the
left, North
line.
County.
Solid side for
Cessna
safe side.
907 Juliet Whiskies at Yigbo, doing a public tow.
North County traffic says Farmington, touching Foxtrot back to the ramp.
And North County 2 Romeo, Mike holding short, 26 left, landing traffic.
North County traffic, Cessna 234 Alpha Bravo, short funnel 26 left, full stop, North County.
North County RV's in the downwind, 26 left.
North County radio check.
Loud and clear.
And North County 2 Romeo, Mike line up and wait, 26 left, where the RV on downwind.
Yeah, we'll slow it down a little bit. We're just turning base right now for 26 left.
Thank you.
North County helicopter 9 Golf Foxtrot is taxiing from the north hangar over to runway 26 right.
North County Skyline 2 Romeo, Mike on the roll, 26 left, departure westbound, and I'll be looking for the traffic holding at Yigbo.
How far you want to go? You want to go all the way down or where it was?
Picture 2,
Yeah, you take the first one.
RV
2.13 Celsius, altimeter 3003, remarks, density altitude 1,100. North Palm Beach County General Aviation Airport, automated weather observation 1706 Zulu weather, wind 280 at 16, peak gust 25, visibility.
907 Juliet Whiskey's at Yigbo inbound for the practice ILS approach runway 8 right. It will be a low approach only, North County traffic.